Dave and Lynn, I hope you have a good evening. I don't want to bore you, but there was a song by the Beatles called "And Your Bird Can Sing." I don't know what that means in England, but it means if you have a lot of things and you are showing off, you say, "Oh, and your bird can sing." So they had one song. You say you've got everything you need, and your bird can sing, but you don't have me. You don't have me. You don't have me. You say you've seen the seven wonders, and your bird can sing, but you can't see me. You can't see me. You can't see me. When your prized possessions start to get you down, look in my direction and I might still be around. You say you've heard what there is to hear, and your bird can sing, but you can't hear me. You can't hear me. You can't hear me. When your prized possessions start to get you down, you can look in my direction and I might still be around. Say you've got everything you need, and your bird can sing, but you don't have me. You don't have me. You don't have me. When your prized possessions start to get you down, you can look in my direction and I might still be around.